$23,000, Tim.
Lot number 348.1, 1948 Hudson Commodore 8 convertible. One of approximately 65 built in 1948.
Wow.
And a 2003 ground-up restoration on a clean, no-rust car. Every moving part replaced or rebuilt. Complete rebuild of unique cable windshield wiper assembly. Less than 300 miles since that restoration completed. Nominated as an AACA Outstanding Vehicle, Steve.
Kurt, folks, if you've been waiting for something spectacular, we've had a lot of great cars, but here is a car that's received its AACA Junior and Senior badges, was nominated as an AACA Outstanding Vehicle, and the reason is exactly why it's here today, because you deserve the best, and Spanky, this is one of the best on the planet, right here for sale.
Here, now I'm going to get 100, I'm going to get 10, 20, I'm going to get $10,000, $20,000. I'm going to get 10 to go, 20 to bid, 20 to I'm going to get 20,000. I'm going to get 10 to bid, 20 to I'm going to get 20, 20, 20, I'm going to get 30, 30, 30, I'm going to get 20, 30, I'm going to get $30,000. I'm going to get 20, 30, 25, 25, I'm going to get 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, I'm going to get 30, I'm going to get 30,000. I'm going to get 5, 5, 5, 35, I'm going to get 5, I'm going to get 5, 40, 40, 40, give it to 40, I'm going to get 40 now. I'm going to get 30, I'm going to get 40, I'm going to get 7, 7, 7, 40, 40, 40, I'm going to get now 40, 37, I'm going to get 40, I'm going to get 40,000. $1,000. I'm going to be 17, I'm going to be 40, now 2, 2, 2, 2, I'm going to get 2, I'm going to be 40, 2,000, I'm going to get 2 to bid 5, 5, 5, 45, I'm going to be 5, 5, 5, 45, I'm going to be 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, I'm going to be $47,000, I'm going to be $47,000, I'm going to be able to go, here we go now, 47, I'm going to be 70, beautiful automobile, 50,000 where?
One of 65 built for the model year in 1948, an absolutely impeccable, ground-up, professional restoration, one of the best Hudsons you will find anywhere.
I'm going to 50 is bid, 52, now 5, even if 2, 5, 7, 7, 7, I'm going to get 52, you get 52, I'm going to be now 50, I had 50 with Bing already, got to be 52, Tom, thank you, now 5 to you, Bing, 55 to you, $57,000, even if 7, even if 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 57, $60,000, even if 60,000, here we get 58, Tom, $60,000, 50, here we get $60,000, here's $60,000, I'm going to get the bid now 2, 2, 2, I'm going to get 2, 2, 2, I'm going to get 2, now 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, I'm going to get 5, everybody wants it, 5, here we get 2, 5, 65, here we get 2, 5, 65, roll it away, man, here we get 2, we get 5, 5, 65, 5, 5, 60, 5, 1, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 3, 4, 4, 5, 65,000, here we get 66,000, $67,000, $68,000, $69,000, here we get now 70,000, where, here we get now 72, here we get 70 is bid, 72, now 2, 5, here we get 75, 5, 2, 5, 75, 5, 5, 5, 75, we get 5 now, here we get 75,000, 5, 75,000, here we get now 3 with Tom, 74, here we get 4, 74, now 5, 5, 5, 75, we get 5, here we get 5, 6, 76,000, here we get 7, 78, 78, we get 8, 5, we get 77 over here, 78 to you, Tom, here we get 78,000, here we get 77, 78, but here we get 8, 78, we get 8 now, 5, we get $78,000, 5, we get 77, 78, here we get 8, 78, what in the world's wrong here? I thought it might be closer to 100.
A super rare car, a super rare Hudson, and don't forget, less than 300 miles since the restoration was completed, and the car nominated as an AACA Outstanding Vehicle, and understandably so.
I would have been 78,000, I would have been 78, I would have been able to get $8,000, here we go on once, I would have been 77,000, $78,000, I would have get 78,000, bid with Tom, you're out paying $79,000, I would have been 89, Mitch, you're out also, 79, 79, would have been 99, 79, 78 with Tom, Bing and Tom, Mitch, you're both out, 79,000. So, to Tom's bidder for $78,000, thank you all.
Lot number 349, 1928 Buick Custom Speedster, a very special one-off speedster.